Hello everyone. Before the video begins, make sure you go onto Instagram and follow me. And it's the same name as on my YouTube channel. It's Lola's Doll World Remakes. Make sure you give me a heart and leave a comment on under the pictures you like on my Instagram. And make sure before you watch this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment after you finish watching it and let me know what you think about this video. Bye. Hi everyone, it's your girl Lola and I'm back with another video. And today I wanted to do a different kind of video. So I did my very first Dollar Tree haul video for doll accessories. It's a mini haul and I just wanted to go. I haven't been in the dollar store in years. So I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree and see what kind of doll accessories they had. And to my surprise, I found some treasures and I'm going to share with everyone. Okay, the first treasure I found was this Barbie doll grill. Well, it's for any doll house, but it's really for Barbie doll size dolls. It's a Barbie doll grill. It's pink. It's really cute. The top, bounces up and down with the lid. It doesn't go all the way down, so you can't shut it unless you probably hot glue it. So it's very nice. The second item would be item number 2 and 3 would be it's a patio furniture set, and first is just the chairs and a table, and then the next is the umbrella that goes with the patio furniture. And I put these together really quick, fast and easy. A child could do this, and it's very nice. For it to be $1.25, you cannot beat that, and I thought it was so nice. Next, I'm working on another DIY project, and I bought this little baby doll. She come with her little chairs and a table. I thought she was so cute. And then next, I bought these hair clips. They're for regular people's heads, but I bought it they're like Barbie doll size. So I bought it for my Barbie doll. So if I do an upsweep hairstyle, it's easy to clip and manage. So I like this for the collection. Next, I didn't know Mattel had stuff in the Barbie doll store. I didn't know they had products in the Barbie doll store. Back in the day when I was younger, as a child, the dollar store stuff was very cheesy, but now they're not like that no more. Dollar Tree has really upped their game, and that's why they upped it to a quarter extra, because they really have some great quality stuff in these stores. This is like a Barbie doll accessories, headband, sunglasses, necklace. It's really nice, and I bought 2 of them, and they come in different colors. So I bought these 2, and they really, to my surprise, look really good. They're very, for $1.25, you can't beat it. Next, I bought this trifold. It's like a pop-up, like if you can't afford a doll house, or just for somebody like a little child that really doesn't know any better and in the beginning stages of their Barbie doll collecting or doll collecting. This is beautiful. It's a pop-up trifold of like a doll house. It bends and it folds up. It's reversible, and it's like outside is like the backyard, the back of the house with a grill, and the front is the one I got was the living room, but you can have an office. They got one with an office, they got one with a bedroom, so they have different varieties, and for $1.25 they can't beat it. And especially for people that like doing doll photography and they don't feel like placing a bed and making the photo shoot, they could just put this out there, put a little bit of furniture if they want, or no furniture, and just put the doll and start clicking pictures. So I thought that was a good buy. Last but not least, I found some wardrobe for my dolls. I was just excited. I got 6 outfits, and let me explain the 6 outfits. The first outfit is like a purple outfit. The material of the skirt is a little kind of hard. The top is kind of ill-fitted, but I can fix that with a belt, or I can fix that by adding a Velcro straps in the back to try to bring the dress a little tighter at the top. It's a little kind of baggy at the top. Now the second dress is my favorite. It's gorgeous. This gold dress, and I'm going to add some accessories to the belt. I'm going to add some type of rhinestones or some type of things to the belt. So leave in the comments down below if you want to see me redo these Dollar Tree outfits. Leave in the comments down below to make a video about how I do. I'm going to redo the outfits. The third outfit is kind of Easter-like. Like I said, it's like the first outfit is ill-fitted at the top. The fourth outfit is beautiful. I probably just add some rhinestones to the top. It's really beautiful. Kind of give you like a Cinderella goes to the club type of feel. It's very nice. Um, oh, by the way, the doll is just a model. It's not included. I didn't get her from the dollar store. Um, the fifth outfit is like it's like a springtime dress, but you could wear it before Labor Day. It's a white and gold dress. It's kind of a little ill fitted a little bit, but I'm gonna match it with a gold belt. And last but not least, it's this beautiful pink dress, and I love it. The only thing I might add is some type of glitter to it, but I think it's beautiful for $1.25. You can't beat it. And see how everything comes together. Look at the patio set. Everything is all on this picture is from the dollar store. $1.25 except for the Barbie doll. Even the little baby doll. You remember the little baby doll? There's a little baby doll right there, and look at the sunglasses, the necklace, and the headband. That's from the package from the Mattel Barbie doll package. And look at the patio set and look at the background. It's phenomenal. Dollar Tree, I will be seeing y'all again next month. Leave in the comments down below. Do you like this video? Do you want me to see me do more doll haul videos like for accessories or just dolls or just anything DIY inspired? Anyway, it's your girl Lola. I'll be back. Bye.